Okay, guys, welcome to IELTS Speaking Part 2. We have a topic here, which is sports or physical activities. Describe a sport or physical activity that you enjoy and think it's important. So, first thing we do, we usually have 1 minute for taking notes. So, I'm going to take some notes here for the preparation, and then I'm going to have between 1 to 2 minutes to talk about this topic. So, my favorite sport here is basketball. What the sport activity is. So I think I've answered that one. How often do you do it? Maybe 3 times a week on the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Who do you do it with? Guess here it's gonna be my friends. And then explain why it is important for health and life. Keeps me active. All right then. So after you have prepared your notes, which usually takes about 1 minute, then the examiner is going to tell you to be ready to talk about the topic. So what's important is you trying to talk about this topic very naturally. When you're talking about it, just be yourself. Try to remember what you know about basketball or let's say another sport. And if you miss anything or you forget to talk about anything among these questions asked you here, the examiner is going to ask you. And if somehow you were to talk more and the time has finished, then you have to, they're just gonna stop you. And that doesn't mean that you made a mistake or something. It's just a part of the exam. All right, so I'm going to talk about basketball, my favorite sport. I started playing basketball when I was young. Actually, I can't say playing basketball. I just took the ball in my hands, tried a little bit, and then I left it for years. And a few years back, which was a little bit too late, according to my friends, I was too old to learn basketball, but I didn't give up. It's something that I loved. So when I hit 30 years old, I kind of tried to learn again from scratch, and I was really good at it. Obviously, I wish I had tried it much more earlier. Probably I could turn professional. So I play basketball 3 times a week. I came from being the worst player, among my friends and becoming one of the best players. And what I do is usually traveling and visiting different places and try to play with different kinds of people. And I love this sport because it has to keep me active. I'm working from home and most of the time in front of my computer. So having an activity which keeps you active most of the time, it's a very healthy thing to do. Yeah. So, guys, that's it. And that's the end of my answer. If you have any further questions or any other topic that you'd like us to talk about in this part, just leave a comment. And we're going to keep on uploading more videos like this as a sample. Our videos are just like this. They're simple videos, direct to the point, and help you to actually answer the questions in the exam or giving you an idea of how you're supposed to be answering. Until next time, take care of yourself and see you.